when I was a young boy. Oh shit! Whoa! You are tall as hell! Where did you come from, Gigantor? Not today. Alrighty, welcome to Ominous Descent. First time. First of all, there is a human being with no legs. I can't see what I'm stepping on because my light's really bright. Woo! Hold on. Let me fix this light. It's a little too bright. All right, so we're, let's continue forward with this house. Welcome to Ominous Descent. Oh my God! Yo! Hey, what are you doing to Grandma? No, that's not Grandma. What? Oh, what is that noise? I can't help you. He's huge. Dude is freaking. Oh, what the heck was that? What in the ratatouille? Pumpkin gooey. Oh! Oh, mother cannon. Mother of cannons. Yo, I can't see a potato crisp again.
He's gonna get ya! Oh, he's gonna get ya!
Who is he? Yo!
Run.
Who is that? Oh, a syringe. No, I'm good. I'm good. I already got my flu shot. Thank you. Oh shit! I was trying not to curse, but he got it out of me. Oh, is it this guy? Shit! Where did you come from? Oh! It's the meat. It's the meat packing district. This is where they make the empanadas. Woo!
I cannot see anything.
Me neither. I'm blind. Oh, it's pitch black in this bitch. Yo, what in the... Behind you! What in the hunk of meat? Y'all got any... Oh, shit, I can't see. What? Oh, it's a forward. Yeah, you know what? We're good. Let's go back that way.
No, go back.
What do you mean go forward?
Please, no.
Oh, shit! Let me adjust my light a little more. It's too bright, I can't see. Lights at 1% and I'm still blind as a bat. Ah! Oh my God! Dobby, is that you? Hey, yo, whoa. Hey, nah, you stay on that side. I'm on this side, you're on that side. Okay, good. What's... Shit! Oh! What is that? Pig Saw Massacre! Ah! Can I? Thank you, have a beautiful day. Oh, shit! Where do you keep coming from? They keep making me curse. I'm not trying to curse. Dobby, are you okay?
Help me!
Are you hanging?
Please help me!
Are you the hanging person?
Please help me!
How are you hanging?
Please!
Oh no, you're not hanging. You're behind the cage.
Help me, please!
I can't help her.
Help me!
Oh, whoa, what is that?
Your name!
Oh, shit! Oh my God! You broke my ankle. Oh, y'all gonna give me gout? Oh, heck no. That's the shiny pig room. I can't go in there. You lead. Fudge. Sucks being a man sometimes. Yo, what in the sensory deprivation is this? Well, what is that a floating pig head? Ew. Dude, where am I going? Oh, shit! No! Oh, shit! I don't know ruined the bacon. I will never have bacon again. Yo, what is that up there? Is that Batman? Texas Chainsaw Batman? What's up, buddy? You good? Yo, you good up there, right? Yo, I can't see. Whoa! Whoa! Is that the mascot from the Eagles? I can't see. Oh no, it's a raccoon. Am I good here? Is it this way? Sir, you have a good day. God bless you. Oh my God, I need water. I need an Alka-Seltzer. Magic Mile, follow the light. You good? Yo, I'm sweating dry. Oh, yo, this house is rickety. Ah! What did the tase me? Oh, hell no. What you mean a swamp? Hey, what the hell? I can't move. I can't move. Was that Tyrion Lannister? Oh, shit. Yo, the fog is thick in this bit. Oh, fudge. Why? That is not necessary. I'm about to get tinnitus in this bit. I'm so sorry. That way? Thank you. No, not that way. Oh, it is that way. Yo, we in the bushes now. What is this, Rambo 3? Got me sweating bullets. Woo! When I was a young boy. Oh, shit! Whoa! You are tall as hell! Where did you come from, Gigantor? So, hey, yo. Did somebody drop some change? What's up with this fog, bro? I can't see. Yo, there's some loose change there. Don't fall for it. I hate loose change. Are you good? Y'all good? Y'all want a head start so you can move faster? I'm slow. I jump at everything. If y'all want to get that head start, go ahead. I jump too much. I'm sorry.
Oh my God!
Better them than me. All right, all right. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Hey, yo, it's getting lower. I can't see. The roof about to collapse on me. Oh, my God. Yo, this is a goddamn swamp. Yo, if this is a swamp puppy, holy hell! Whoa, where did you come from? Oh, whoa, whoa. Stop doing that, Giant. Jesus, what is this, a train? It's like a clown car. They keep coming. Oh, what in the takes me, Daddy? Am I even going the right way? No, it's a swamp puppy! A swamp puppy! Oh, shit! I'm hot. I'm hot. Oh my God. Yo. Pilates.
The bloody laundry!
Dirty. Oh, yeah.
Bring me the bloody laundry!
It's wetting me though. Ew. Ew. What are you sprinkling me with?
Bring me the bloody laundry!
Oh my God. Oh no. Whose baby is that? No, I'm good. What happened to the baby's leg? Oh my God. Yo, I just need to get through here. Ma'am, you have a beautiful day. You have a beautiful child. Oh, heck no. Oh, it's the spoopy room.
Please help me.
Who's that?
She's gonna hurt me. She killed my mother.
Who killed your mother? Ah! It's Grandma.
Help me. Help me, please.
It's Grandma.
Help me.
Oh my God. Let me just go. Don't mind me. Yo! Who took that deuce? Did you take that deuce? Oh, whoa. Hey. Oh! Whoa, it's the accountant. I don't owe anybody money. I'm sorry. Shit. Adi, please catch up. Oh, whoa! Is that a zombie?
Bobby's gonna get you!
Why am I in a corner?
Bobby's gonna get you!
Who's Bobby?
Bobby's waiting for you! Bobby's gonna get you!
Is he friendly?
Gonna get you!
Is it Bobby's world? Oh, so. Oh, it smells like cockadookie in here. Ah! Oh my God! He's got cockadookie on his face.
Don't touch my tool!
I'm not touching anything.
What's going on over here?
Yo, what in the butcher shop?
You scared?
Yo, yeah, a little bit. What happened to your teeth?
Better go.
Oh, they're gold. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo, who is that? Oh my God, I can't see. I'm sweating. It's muggy. It's a Florida haunted house. No, heck no. You know what? I'm good. Do I have to go in there? Shit. Oh, what in the claustrophobic? It's the claustrophobic room again. I can't see, so if I bump into you, I'm sorry. Are you still behind me? Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah! Ah! Snap, crackle, and pop!
Welcome in.
Ah! It's still happening!
Oh, you're nasty.
Whoa, doctor! Doctor!
Please don't leave me here.
Do you do circumcisions?
Oh,
I don't want to die.
I can't help you.
where are you going?
Come back.
What's he doing to you?
Right here.
I don't want to die here.
Let's all get in the hall.
Do you do circumcisions?
Don't die my body.
Woo, what's that? Oh, whoa, whoa. Which way? Which way do I go?
Doctor, let her leave.
Doctor, which way?
Don't mind my body. Just kidding.
Oh,
Don't mind the body.
I get it.
Don't mind
You gotta move the body. You gotta move.
it.
Am I out?